Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to check the health of any HDD or SSD without using any third-party software in Windows computer. So without further delay, let's begin. So here we are not going to use any third-party software. So here I will show you two methods how you can do it. So firstly let me show you. Now you can see here I have different drives when I have external drives being inserted on my Windows computer. So for the first method, just open the command prompt and just type wmake space disk drive space get space status, put a comma, type model. Now once you type this command, just hit enter. Now you can see here all the HDD or SSD or the external drive being inserted also being shown here. As you can see, the status is showing OK. That means I don't have any problem with my respective HDD or SSD drives. So this is the first method. And now for the second method, just open the settings and just click on the system. On the right side, just scroll down below. You'll see here storage, just click on it. Now once again scroll down below again. Now you can see here advanced storage settings, just click on it. Just scroll down again. Now just click on this disks and volumes. Now you can see here all the drives healthy. As you can see, different drives showing healthy. As you can see, healthy, that means okay everything. And even you can see the external drives if being inserted on your respective Windows computer are also being shown here. As you can see, it's also showing healthy. That means I don't have any issues or any problems right now, so all are fine. So by using these two methods, you can easily check the health of any HDD or SSD without using any third-party software in Windows computer very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.